isa namang video na kung saan maglaro nga tayo ng That Is My Neighbor. Di joke lang. Itong pangalan ng laro po na to, That Is Not My Neighbor. So baka natin sa itong video na to guys, kindly suntokin mo na rin yung like dyan, pati yung subscribe button dyan. Yung notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga bagong video ko. At kung nasuntok mo na ngayon like dyan, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! So syempre dahil tayo magaling, arcade muna tayo. Titignan natin kung gaano tayo. Syempre trailer muna yung paparnowin natin guys. No? Hindi pa natin napanood yung natin. The following short film is a production of DDDD with educational finds. Hello! If you're watching this film because you are new doorman in your building, your job is to enter whatever the person who wants to enter the building and the double ganger. Okay. As everyone knows, double ganger have the ability to transfer into other person and impersonate them, but are not too good and called degenerate imperfection. Okay. You have to pay close attention to the appearance of your neighbors. Okay? Also remember to fill out checklist for each neighbor. So kailangan daw natin i-check lahat ng you have to miss an intel because could mean need that for your neighbor. Okay. This is the structure of your office now. We are going to explain how it works. Okay. Here the security window. Don't forget to observe every individual who approaches. Okay. On the right, you have our folders with all the data of each neighbor according to the respective floor. And to fill out the checklist, take one of these in front of you. Okay. Receive documents from his new hatch. Okay. If you determine that eventually it's a duplicate double ganger, then allow them into building with these buttons. Okay. Empty chakalak. Okay. Otherwise, if you determine it's fax, the double ganger press the emergency button and call 3312. Okay. And to communicate with the DDD or any apartment in your building, use the telephone in front of you. Okay. Your job is really important, so make sure you do it right. Okay. Finally, we congratulate the doorman of the man Henry. He was an excellent job, but he was only doorman in the area. We get killed by double ganger. Okay. Be like Henry. Okay. Be better. Be better ba yun? Bad man. Ewan ko, basta yun. So, ito na tayo. Ang ating panibagong trabaho. Hello po. Okay po.
Hello all Skibidi fans. I hope you all are well.
Wait lang guys ha. Kailangan ko ng thumbnail eh. Ay hindi yan. Naging dalawa. Ayan.
The biggest secret till date is going to be revealed in
Ayan guys, nabalik na natin yung natin, yung camera natin. Ayan. Ito yung mga each day we will release of eventually. It's possible that there are individuals or request entry for any on the list, of which cost will be marked on the checklist that are wasn't skip. Okay. Dito natin ang konti yung camera natin guys. Hello! Good afternoon! Good afternoon! Ano ang iyong kailangan? Ikaw ba'y nasa list? Okay. Wala siya sa list. Can I get your... I'm not read it. I think I should be on this. It's an error. It's again, wala ka. Nandito kayo, papasukin ka naman kita. Wala ka. Pero nga, di meron ka, tsaka yung appearance. Ito, wala ka din. Entry request? Wala ka nga. anything I will request.
My theory is that
Pero wala
something
nga,
like
no?
episode
Sige.
87 is going to happen with Titan
Prestige.
Man in
Gloria.
episode 74. Because
Gloria.
changing the position of
Round
episode
face.
74 makes
Okay,
episode
may round face
47.
ka.
Titan TV
Wala,
Man
wala.
must have caught G-Man.
Okay, mamaya na yan.
There must be a fierce fight between the two. And in the meantime,
Gloria.
injured Titan Cameraman and Titan Speakerman
Gloria talaga pangarap mo, no? So, appearance, round face, more on the right, right
which
leg.
is Astro Toilet.
Okay, meron. Mali na naman yung napipindot ko. And meron siya mold, and meron siya short hair. Okay, round nose. And then ngayon, titignan natin yung number mo, no? So, 6985. 6985. And 5223. 5223. Okay. And then,
In the third leak image, we see
52,
red eyes,
23,
Mr. Boom
411, 41 and 50.
first black image leak.
41 and 50. And 0 ba? Zero ba yan? Okay, 0. So, I think makakapasok ka na. Tama ba ako? Wala naman siguro akong mali. Or meron ba? Oh my goodness, good afternoon. Ano yan? Ikaw ay pinapasok mo dito. Pinapasok ko na kanina eh. Pinapasok ko na kanina eh. Pinapasok ko na kanina yung totoo eh. Go back eh. Pinapasok ko na. Pinapasok ko na yung totoo. Ba't ayaw? Pinapasok ko na yung totoo kanina. Pinapasok ko na yung totoo. Tanggalin nga natin yung webcam. Nakakahan. Pinapasok ko na yung totoo kanina. Kaya nga, post natin sa pet mo tayo. Hindi ka totoo eh. Pinapasok ko na kanina yung totoo eh. Delikado to guys. Yun lang. Pinapasok ko na yung kanina eh. Legit ba? Kasi pinapasok ko na yung kanina guys eh. So, bakit ko pa kailangan ko kasi pinapasok ko na. Yun lang ba tayo ano? Ano guys, ayaw talaga. Pinapasok na kita eh. Hindi ko siguro kita pinapasok ba? Pero pinapasok na kita. Yun lang, ba't ayaw kasi? Pinapasok na kita. Hindi lang kita siguro pinapasok ba? Ayaw mano ng ano. Kapag ganun ba? Hindi ganun paano eh. Ilang kabalikan kayo. So, inulit ko po yung laro na ewan ko bakit kasi nag-crash talaga siya guys. So, ito na tayo ulit. Ayaw gumana kanina ng ano ko eh. Ito ayaw gumana. Ewan ko bakit eh. Yan. Whatever. Tama ba ang itsura ko? Hindi tama kanyang itsura. May mali. May mali. Sorry ka, Lodi Kids. May mali talaga sa'yo. Yung funny. Siya sa dulo. Ewan ko talaga kapag ganito di ko alam nangyayari. Hindi ako sa ano natin. Yung itsura nga yung inaano ko. Tama naman eh, pero no. Hindi. Sa mukha mo nga meron. Ay, gagi, napasok ko siya. Patay tayo, guys. Gagi.
What do you have?
Wow. Grabe. Everything is meaning of life. What is the meaning of life in the universe and everything else? Happiness. Like this correct. Oras ka na. Gusto kong report case kaso ayaw talaga. Ayaw. Good afternoon. Good afternoon din po, sir. Ano ang iyong pangalan? Ano po ang iyong pangalan?
Yo. Is
Ano po ang iyong pangalan, sir? Hindi ko alam ba tayo pero ang pangalan mo, sir? What are your name, sir? Ang pangalan niya ay Roman Stinky. 4830. At 2405. 05. 9684. 96. Since big nose, car and red chain, long face. Okay? One air row. We're hot. So, technically, ikaw po ay makakapasok na sa inyong bahay. Yun. So, siguro guys, dito ko na muna tatapusin ng video kasi ayusin ko muna bakit ayaw pumindot itong freaking na to. Dito lang bakit ayaw niya pumindot. Ayan, okay na siya. Dito na okay. Pero ka para sa araw to. Bye.